It's really hard to decide what kind of dog I want.
A dog is a very big responsibility, you know, and you're just too young.
It's always the same. You're too young, you're too little.
Every day they tell me I'm too small to tag along. All the grown-ups make decisions and I think that it's...
Ahoy there! Race the Skull and Crossbones! Forget about it. But why won't you let us join in? You're too small.
Hello again, Alfie.
That's him, the magician.
Are you a magician?
Harble, salvo, irricadavo.
I wondered, do you think you could magic up a little dog for me?
Come back tomorrow and we'll take care of it then.
Let's do somersaults in the grass. Listen to the drums, gather and dance. Let's climb up in the tallest tree.
I know why you don't believe in magic.
Because it's not real.
Because you've never had money come out of your nose.
But I know more than they think.
What's all this? It's mine.
They say wait until you're rich, then you would understand.
Hey, I want to see that. Hocus Pocus, Alfie Atkins. Coming soon.